removing or harvesting ordinary or native garlics. Now we are preparing now this place to plant vegetables, any kind of vegetables like what that radish, rosemary. Radish is molly, and rosemary is soya, and what is more? Gunglo. Gunglo is turnips, danya, coriander leaves, and methi is fenugreek leaves. So we will plant here what is season now. Season by this time now to plant these vegetables. Yeah. And after we remove yesterday this ordinary tubers of ordinary or native garlics, then my husband, he put some water here, so that's why as you can see the soil is still wet. And what is we remove leaves for this native garlics, then we can put here. This is good fertilizer.
Very good fertilizer.
Yeah, this one leaves here as you can see there. And then you will put manure here for goats.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung ano, tae ng kambing, tae ng manok, o kaya yung tae ng kalabaw. Ilalagay dyan sa taas ng mga dahon. And then tomorrow morning, then you have to separate this one. You scattered all these dried leaves and will put all here. And inshallah can be complete this one and ready to plant now this kind of vegetables. Yan yung ano namin, bakri. My husband already planted vegetables here because we harvested already in ordinary or normal garlics. Yan ito. And then already started also harvested G1 garlics. Ayan, ito yung kahoy stock ng ano ng G1 garlics. Ayan oh. And yan naman yung mga flowers. Ayan, pero hindi pa totally bumuka yung flowers. Kaya lang hinarvest na nila kasi ano na season na talaga na ano harvest. Ayan, pero hindi pa na harvest lahat. Yan pa yun oh. Yan doon. So ito yung na-harvest. Sana ba yung na-harvest? Naglagay na doon sa ano sa baranda ng kung saan yung ano yung mga kambing namin nilalagay dito. Ayan, dito na. Yung ano ordinary garlics naman dito banda, kaya lang nilipat na doon sa taas. Ayan, ito yung mga G1 garlics. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung mga babies na naka-attach. Kunti pa lang itong na-harvest. Ayan, mayroon din doon sa baba. Ayan, mga J1 garlics. Yan yung flowers. Yan, ganyan pag ano, pag totally na open na talaga yan.